Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to change the image count separator in the Divi Gallery module lightbox. By customizing the separator, for example, changing one of two to 1/2, you can improve the readability of your lightbox display, align it with your brand style, or adjust it for localization needs. We'll guide you step by step to set a custom separator that better suits your site's preferences and design. Let's get started. To customize the image count separator in the Divi Gallery lightbox, you can use the Image Count Separator field available in the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugins. These plugins offer a simple no-code solution to update the separator directly within the Gallery module's element settings. By entering your preferred symbol, such as a slash, this change will appear in the Gallery lightbox counter on the front end. This method is quick and straightforward, making it easy to tailor the display to fit your style or preferences. To set a custom image count separator in the Divi Gallery Booster, start by opening your Gallery module in the Divi Builder. Once inside the module settings, navigate to the Elements section. Here, you'll find a field labeled Image Count Separator. Simply type in your preferred separator, like a slash, and save your changes. This quick adjustment allows you to easily personalize how the image counter appears in your Gallery lightbox. Once you've set your custom separator, it's time to save and test your changes. Publish the page to ensure everything is updated. Now, view the page on the front end and click on a gallery image to open the lightbox. You should see the image counter displaying your custom separator, for example, 1/2. This confirms that your new setting has been applied successfully. Another way to customize the Divi Gallery lightbox counter separator is by using a small jQuery snippet. This method doesn't require any plugins and allows you to apply the change site-wide, ensuring a consistent look across all your galleries. You'll add this code in the Divi Theme Options under the Integration tab. It's a quick, efficient solution that eliminates the need to edit individual modules. For the exact code and additional details, check the accompanying post. To add a custom jQuery script for changing the image count separator in Divi, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Divi, Theme Options, and click on the Integration tab. Here you'll find a field labeled Add Code to the head of your blog. In this field, you'll need to paste the provided jQuery script. This snippet ensures that the counter separator is updated across all Gallery lightboxes on your site. Once you've pasted the code, save your changes. This method is efficient because you only need to add the script once and it will apply site-wide. For a detailed look at the script, refer to the accompanying post. After saving your changes, it's time to test them out. If you haven't already, add a gallery module to a page. Once that's done, publish the page to ensure everything is updated correctly. Now, visit the page on the front end and click on one of the gallery images to open the lightbox. You should see your custom separator, for example, 1/2, appearing in the image count display. This confirms that your settings have been successfully applied. Customizing the Gallery lightbox image counter separator in Divi is a simple process. Whether you choose to update individual modules using the Divi Booster or Divi Gallery Booster, or apply a site-wide change with a small jQuery script, both methods are quick and effective. These changes allow you to maintain a consistent look and feel across your site while aligning with your branding or style preferences. With just a few steps, you can enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your Gallery lightbox.